guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk. Recently with COVID and working from home and distance learning and all that, you might have found that you might need to run a meeting where you put people in breakout rooms. Okay, when you have a big professional development workshop with, 20, 30 people, you want them to discuss in small groups. So you put them in little breakout rooms that when they're inside a room, they can only hear other people inside the same room. So I'm going to show you how to set all that up. And all you need to do is in Microsoft Teams, which I already have it open, if you go to meetings, and the first thing I'm going to do is to invite a few people into a meeting. So let's schedule a new meeting. Let's schedule it. Okay, Magic Monk's team meeting. Copy meeting invitation. Okay, so now I'm going to send this meeting to a few people and get them to join. So copy invite. I'm going to email this link to a few people. Okay, so I'm going to send a new email. I'm going to type the people that I'm emailing. Join my meeting. And I'm going to paste the link in my email. Send the meeting invite. And now they're all going to join my meeting. Okay, so let's get them to join the meeting. I'm going to join it first. And hopefully I'm going to turn off all my sound because that's not the point of this video. I'm going to turn off all my sound because that's not the point of this video. Turn off sound, turn off sound. Don't use audio actually. Join now. Okay, so I am in the meeting and so one of my participants is already in the meeting now. And let's get someone else. Okay, so how many people do we have? Just 2. Hang on. Okay, so I have 3 people in the meeting. Basically, it's just me for 2 of them and my mom for 1 of them. So I got 3 people in the meeting. Okay, now, so to start our breakout room, what you would click on is this icon with the 2 squares. So I'm going to click on that icon, breakout rooms. As soon as you select breakout rooms, it says you can assign people to rooms or let teams assign people for you. Okay, if you choose automatically, which is really easy, teams will automatically put people in the rooms. Otherwise, if you choose manually, you can say who you want in each room. So I'm going to say manually just to show you how to put people in the room that you want them to be in. Okay, so because there are only 2 people right now, I can say that the first person go into room 1 and the second person go to room 2. And I'm going to click on assign. Okay, it takes a second to assign them, but you can see here that room 1 has Edward, room 2 has Janet. And currently the rooms are closed. That means that we are all still in one big session. But as soon as you click on open, and it says both rooms are open, what that means is that Edward is now in a room by himself and Janet is in another room by themselves. So if you imagine in real life, if you have 2 separate rooms, people in each room cannot hear what is happening in the other room. So that's what's happening here. So if they try to talk to each other now, they can't hear each other. Okay, so if I want them to be able to hear each other, I need to put them in the same room. So I need to click on assign participants, and I might put Edward in the same room as Janet. So they're both in room 2. I click assign. Then what's going to happen is Edward is going to be moved into the same room with Janet, and then they'll be able to talk to each other. Okay, so now these people can both talk to each other, and because this room is empty now, it has revert into closed, which means that nothing is happening. You can't go in there. The door is closed. So now these two people are in there talking to each other. So I'm just going to join them. I'm going to join this room. Okay, so now there's 3 of us together again, as if we are at the start of the meeting. Okay, so let's leave. You can see here now there's a window. 2 windows, the main window, which is the main hall, and I'm inside room 2 with these guys. So let's click leave. Continue. So I'm now back to the main hall. And room 2 is still open. So let's say I want to summon them all back into the main hall, get out of the rooms. I just click on close, and the breakout rooms will be finished. Hopefully all of them will come back out of the rooms. Okay, so all of them are now back out. All the doors are closed. And if you turn off breakout rooms, I can resume the meeting. And now if I go to participants, they're all here again inside the main hall. And there are no breakout rooms. They are all closed. Now, you can see under breakout room 2, there's still the same people in there. So whenever you close the rooms, okay, the people that were in those rooms, if you choose to open them again, they will go back into the same room. Okay, so Teams has organized it so that you don't lose track of who's in what room. At any point in time, you can also click on assign participants to change them into the rooms you want, and then click on open the rooms, and then they will all go into the rooms again, and so on. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a good overview of breakout rooms. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.